What's up, everybody? Chris here from Bold Canyon Outdoors, and today I'm going to install these new Mega Shackles from GearAmerica. Now, these guys are about the biggest Burliest shackles out there, and they have a 34-ton capacity on them. So do the math, that's 68,000 pounds. These things are beefy. Now, I do have a set of GearAmerica's standard shackles on the back, and I mean, as you can see, pull these out. They are just bigger, beefier, stronger. Now these guys here, they're no slouch. They're gonna take care of just about everything you need. But I wanted to put a pair of Mega Shackles on here just in case I really need it. So we're gonna put them on. They come with these nice little rubber isolators, and I'm going to install them right here on the front of my bumper. Okay, hopefully I don't get in the way too much installing these. I wanted to be close up so you could see the details. So we've got the Mega Shackle, and we're going to go ahead and pull the pin out here, which of course goes right onto your standard size. Now, you do have multiple sizes of these rubber isolator grommets to go on either side of it to keep it from banging and making noise, and it also prevents corrosion. So you don't like to have that metal on metal rubbing where it can just grind paint off and start to rust or corrode. So what we're going to do is put this on here and kind of guesstimate the size of these rubber grommets. Let's see, I think I'm going to take 2 of the medium-sized ones. We're going to see how that fits. Still a little loose, so maybe 1 medium and 1 large. And there we go. So that's a nice snug fit on there. Now, I found the easiest way to do this is you start with the one on the pin side. Use the pin to hold it. Slide it in part way, and then you want it to be a snug fit, you know, because you're trying to keep it from banging and corroding and making noise and what have you. So get that one in part way, give it a bit of a wiggle, and you can get that one in the rest of the way. A little bit awkward, but it'll get there. You know what? That one might be just a tad bit too big. That's why you test fit them. You know, you want them to fit in there snugly, but you don't want them to be in a position where they're destroying the rubber grommet. There we go. So the 2 medium-sized ones do fit really well. And then once you've got it all centered, screw that in nice and tight. And you can see you don't have much wiggle, and you don't have a bunch of banging noise because you've got that rubber on there. So there's the installation of the Mega Shackle. Super burly, great looking, great behaving, I should say, shackle from GearAmerica. If you like it, I'm going to put links below on how to pick them up for yourself. They come in a bunch of different colors. They're, you know, they've got black, they've got orange, they've got red, they've got, you know, all the colors of the rainbow to match your accessories on your Jeep. But yeah, I'll put links below. And do me a favor, hit that like and that subscribe button underneath there. We're going to be doing lots of kind of up close and personal gear reviews, installations, trail trips, cooking, camp cooking, because, you know, I love to cook and eat. So check it out, subscribe. Hope you enjoyed this. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave them below. And if there's anything that you want to see, by all means, let us know. So there you have it. There's the GearAmerica Mega Shackle. That's it for now. Happy trails, everybody.